We look up at the night sky, stars pepper the darkness like diamonds scattered on black velvet. Each pinprick of light represents a sun, perhaps orbited by its own planets. It's a humbling and awe-inspiring sight. This vast universe, filled with billions upon billions of stars, begs a fundamental question: why are we here? Our existence as humans on this pale blue dot is a profound mystery. We are a species capable of contemplating our place within the cosmos. We ponder the very fabric of reality. The search for answers drives us. We yearn to understand the forces that brought us into being. The universe is unimaginably old. It's a canvas upon which the grand story of existence has been painted over eons. From the fiery chaos of the Big Bang to the intricate dance of life on Earth, our story is one of improbable beauty. It's a story that unfolds across billions of years and countless light years. So let's embark on a journey of exploration. We'll delve into the scientific, philosophical, and theological perspectives on our place in the universe. Join me as we navigate the cosmos in search of answers to this fundamental question: why do we exist? Our journey begins roughly 13.8 billion years ago. The universe erupts into existence from an infinitely dense point, a singularity. This is the Big Bang. In a fraction of a second, the universe expands exponentially. It's a chaotic soup of energy and elementary particles. As the universe cools, energy condenses into matter. The first atoms form, primarily hydrogen and helium, the simplest elements. Gravity, the architect of the cosmos, begins to sculpt the early universe. Clouds of hydrogen and helium coalesce under their own gravity. These massive clouds collapse further, their cores compressing and heating up. Temperatures reach unimaginable levels, igniting nuclear fusion. Stars are born, massive furnaces converting hydrogen into helium and releasing tremendous energy. The universe, once dark, is now ablaze with starlight. Stars are more than just points of light. They are cosmic factories, forging heavier elements in their cores. Carbon, oxygen, nitrogen, the building blocks of life as we know it, are all products of stellar evolution. When stars exhaust their nuclear fuel, they die spectacular deaths, often in supernova explosions. These explosions scatter the newly formed elements into space. These enriched clouds of gas and dust become the birthplaces of new stars and planetary systems. Our own solar system formed from such a cloud, remnants of ancient stellar explosions. The Earth, our home, coalesced from this swirling disk of dust and gas about 4.5 billion years ago. The early Earth was a hostile place, bombarded by asteroids and racked by volcanic activity. Yet in this cauldron of extremes, life emerged. The precise details of how life arose from non-living matter remain a mystery, one of science's greatest unsolved puzzles. What we do know is that life is remarkably tenacious. Once it took hold on Earth, it diversified and evolved, adapting to changing environments. From single-celled organisms to multicellular life, from the oceans to the land, life's story is one of constant change and adaptation. Natural selection, the driving force of evolution, acts as a filter. Organisms with traits better suited to their environment are more likely to survive and reproduce, passing on those advantageous traits to their offspring. Over countless generations, small changes accumulate, leading to the remarkable diversity of life we see today. Humans, too, are products of this evolutionary process. We share a common ancestor with all other living things on Earth. Our lineage can be traced back through millions of years of evolution, from early primates to hominids, and eventually to Homo sapiens, our modern human species. Section 4. The Search for Meaning. Our scientific understanding of the universe provides a framework for our existence. We know how the universe began, how stars form and die, and how life evolved on Earth. But science alone cannot answer the question of why we exist. This is where philosophy steps in, offering different perspectives on meaning and purpose. Existentialism, a prominent philosophical school of thought, emphasizes individual freedom and responsibility. It posits that existence precedes essence, meaning that we are born into this world without inherent purpose. We are free to create our own meaning and values. Teleology, another philosophical perspective, proposes that there is an inherent purpose or design in the universe. This purpose could be attributed to a divine creator or to some inherent drive within the universe itself. Teleological arguments often point to the apparent order and complexity of the natural world as evidence for design. The search for meaning is a deeply personal one. Some find solace in religious faith, believing that their lives have a predetermined plan. Others find meaning in their relationships, their work, or their contributions to society. The universe, from an existentialist perspective, is indifferent to our search for meaning. It is up to us to create our own. Section 5. A universe designed. Theological perspectives on our existence often center around the concept of a divine creator. Many religions believe that a higher power created the universe and everything in it for a specific purpose. This purpose might be to worship the creator, to learn and grow spiritually, or to fulfill a specific role in a grand cosmic plan. In Christianity, for example, humans are created in the image of God and are believed to have a special place in creation. They are tasked with being stewards of the earth and living according to God's will. Islam shares a similar belief in a purposeful creation, with humans serving as caretakers of the earth and living in accordance with Allah's teachings. Other religions, such as Hinduism and Buddhism, have different but equally profound views on the nature of existence. These religions often emphasize the interconnectedness of all things, and the cyclical nature of life, death, and rebirth. While the specific beliefs vary, the underlying theme is often one of purpose and meaning within a larger cosmic order. Theological perspectives provide comfort and guidance to billions of people around the world. They offer a framework for understanding our place in the universe and provide a sense of hope and purpose that transcends our earthly existence. Section 6. Are we special? The vastness of the universe can make us feel insignificant. Our planet, in the grand scheme of things, is but a tiny speck of dust orbiting an ordinary star in an unremarkable galaxy. Yet, we are the only known species capable of contemplating our own existence and pondering the mysteries of the cosmos. This leads us to the anthropic principle, a set of ideas that explore the relationship between the universe and the existence of observers within it. The weak anthropic principle states that the observed properties of the universe must be compatible with the existence of observers. In other words, we observe the universe to be the way it is because if it were any different, we wouldn't be here to observe it. This principle, while seemingly obvious, has profound implications. It suggests that the universe, in some sense, is fine-tuned for the emergence of life and consciousness. The strong anthropic principle goes further, suggesting that the universe must have properties that allow for the existence of observers at some point in its history. This principle implies a deeper connection between the universe and the existence of life, suggesting that the universe is in some way predisposed to give rise to conscious beings. The anthropic principle is a source of ongoing debate and discussion among cosmologists and philosophers. It raises profound questions about the nature of the universe and our place within it. Is our existence simply a fortunate accident, or is it somehow woven into the very fabric of reality? These are questions that continue to fascinate and inspire us as we explore the cosmos.